Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Babbel app. You click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll search about the application of Babbel app. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.